acting only wide. Sing the fire from your belly so small. Sound waves roll and the waves spread wide. You sing a song until it's 6 feet tall. Walking, stomping, stalking on the sidewalk. Wearing clothes, standing side by side. Like little songbirds on to the next stop. You sing your song, you look each other in the eye like. Sing your story. Who all can tell you that you're singing off key? You are the dance, you are not the dancer. You are the song, not the one who sings. Be a beautiful song, songbird. Now be a beautiful song, songbird. Now be a beautiful song, songbird. And you tell the truth. Wild imagination. He think they looking when he walk on by. He think the world is one big mirror. Him get upset and then he don't feel right when he walks, stalking down the sidewalk, sporting clothes, strapping stride by stride. I tell him, Trini, you are not what you consider. I stop him dead when I look him in the eye and say, who all can tell you not to sing your story? Who all can tell you that you're singing off key? You are the dance, you are not the dancer. You are the song, not the one who sings.